Hello, my dear friends, it's UUTAi again, and today our third lesson about how to play on Harp, on Khomus. Today we will try to make a new sound with our tongue. We will say this one thing which will change the sound. It's a simple sound, you remember? We learned a new sound in our second lesson. It was a simple vibration, wow, wow, wow. It was changing with lips, but now we will work with our tongue. Okay, today we will say lo 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 lo. Let's try together. Lo 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 lo. It's like you want to say learn. Learn. Lo 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 lo. In Yakutian language, we have this sound, and it's look like this. Lo, lo lo lo. It's like a lips and tongue. Lo 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 lo. Okay, so lo, lo. We need to do it slowly first because we need to practice. We need to training our lips and tongue. Lo 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 lo. Lo 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 lo. Learn, 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 learn. It's like a learn, really, to learn. So let's try without Khomus, without this one. And soon you will do it very fast, and it will be very good, very interesting sound. In Yakutia we call it goose voice, because when many gooses fly, they do sound like this. Now we switch off our voice, turn it off, without voice, only feelings. And if you can't do it fast now, it's no problem. Do it slowly, feel yourself comfortable. Let's try with Harp. Take your lips close around Khomus. Now I will show you how it what sound it have when you do it very fast, quickly, and with quickly right hand. It's like a goose sound, goose voice. Okay, you can use it when you go to hunting in the forest. I'm joking. Okay, lo 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 and la la la. We will use la la la, la la land, la la la. Okay, we can mix it and it will be a very interesting melody. Lo lo lo, la la la, lo lo lo, la la la, without voice, with Khomus. Lo lo lo, la la la, lo lo lo, la la la, lo lo lo, la la la, lo lo lo, la la la. It's not a shamanic songs, and it's not a ritual. It's just lo 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 and la la la. So try with me, lo lo lo, la la la. Good. And now I will show you how we can make a beautiful melody only with these things, only with lo lo lo, la la la. Now I will show you a little improvisation to understanding how it's really beautiful when you will take it good. like this. I say to you good luck. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to recommend my channel to your friends if they interested in Jewish harp, shamanic and music too. Have a good time, have a blessed day. I love you, hugs, kisses, and if you have some questions, you can write me on comments to this video or on my email info@uutai.ru. See ya!